From the organizational perspective, everything that I've learned in these courses is something I can use to take and make New Jersey Transit a better place for all of our customers, all of our employees, and the communities that we're a part of. So, from the perspective of the organization, this investment is an investment in making New Jersey Transit better. Our organization will be better and have a more rich and robust and effective diversity and inclusion initiative because of my time here. For me personally, I have a personal commitment to the subject matter. So even though I deal with it from a professional level, I am out to make a world that works for everyone. And I think that the knowledge of diversity and inclusion, how to apply it in professional settings, be they what I do in public transportation and in public service or a non for profit or a private sector organization, I believe this work has value that impacts people's day to day lives. And so I get personally enriched at learning about how to make the marketplace, the workplace, a more humane place for people to be, to make organizations more effective for the people who engage in them. And that's all of us. So it's a better world for everyone who is going to be using transportation in my case, but it's a better world for me too. So personally, I get rewarded by that, being a part of it, and also being someone who can benefit from it.